So today I will show you this wall from this to this using this peel and stick tiles. So stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Pooja and welcome to another home related video in which we will do our bedroom makeover, which was requested from you guys, and I was desperate to make my bedroom in different look and different appearance. But I will be splitting this video into two parts. The reason being cause of the length of the video, and I will like to categorize them. Like for second part I will cover all the DIYs, shuffling and moving the furniture, and this video is gonna be wall makeover, and we can give instant lift to our room by doing any easy peasy wall makeover. So basically I'm gonna makeover of this wall which is behind the bed, and there are some wear and tear. The reason of wear and tear I will tell you in my second part, so stay tuned. So now I'm giving you a roughly idea about my room. There is a TV, the TV console and the TV as well. There is a one organizer which is in different color. So the TV table color which we don't want, the console of the TV table which we don't want actually, but by mistake we ordered the dark color, but we want some light shade, but unfortunately it came in dark color, and then the pandemic has started, so we kept it like that. And there is a wiring problem which is I don't like. This is a disgusting part of this room. Some internet issues were there, so technician came and he did some wiring issues resolve. So he was temporary fix the wiring, and we have to wrap up the day, so we just temporary fix the lighting and everything. So it is like that only, and we need to wrap up and cover it with white something. So let's see what I can do. And there is some bits and pieces which are here, so I need to rectify them. And there is a rocking chair which is glider, so it is on that corner, so I need to make over of that too. Already I did some the upholstery I already changed. This is DIY upholstery. The initially it was the beigeish color, but after using of lot of years that beigeish cover got dirty, so I just replaced them and I got this new one. This one is also gonna be so old because it is done like in 2017 or 2018, so yeah, it's more than 2 or 3 years. So it also dirty, but yes, it is washable, so I just clean it in the wash machine and dried it out. So let's start with the cleaning part. And before we start the makeover, you hit the subscribe button with the notification icon so you won't miss the second part of the makeover. Also, I would like to tell you that this video is collaborated by Home Comomi. So I went on their website and checked their product, and I chose to get this beautiful golden 3D peel and stick tile for my master bedroom. Home Comomi is the website where you can get so many pretty options for your wall decoration. Comomi Decor provides wall decoration solution and manufactures a variety of eco-friendly products which are unique in styles and easy installation. Before start any makeover or decoration, we always need to clean the surface and every corner of the room. For that, I am using this cleaning brush which are perfect for the wall, door or any kind of dusting we need. The link of this brush is in the description area, so check that out if you want to. So the easy way to start, remove all the items from the wall. The tiles package I received like this, which is in good packaging. The tiles are lightweight, so it comes in like the bubbles wrap only, which is good for safety and security of the items. The product is well packed and the instructions are there, so which is easy to install. And this is the 3D tile look, and I was expecting little bit more darker shade of yellow, but it is light shade. So if you order, so make sure you will go for darker one, because once you receive the item it will be like a tone lighter. So the wiring part is done. The black and weird wiring I wrapped with the masking tape, and now it's giving me the sort of off-white shade which is similar to my wall. Now the wall decor part is here, which is my favorite part. Now let's get started. And here you will get all the instruction about the installation, how to apply and where to apply, as there are some recommendation and non-recommendation which makes our job more easy and instant.
Where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along.
I must say guys, this is the easiest, fastest and most affordable way to tile a surface and rejuvenate a backsplash. Just peel and stick, and that's it.
To give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think.
To open the heat area, I am just measuring the heat manager area. I am using the blade to trim to open the heat manager, and it's really simple and I'm very happy the way it looks turned out. When there is some small gap or small surface, so I'm just trimming the extra part of the tile so it won't be noticed. Moving to another row, and after continuing this, my wall is complete. So as I said guys, it is something easy and you should use in your apartment or your own house. So I will leave the link in the description in case you want to check out. And now time to clean the mess. And by just added some runner or a rug and shifted my glider from another corner to this, my room is drastically changed, and these all items are from Home Goods. And after adding a tray on the bed, which is trending these days, and some pillows, some artificial flower with a cute ivory Buddha, and that's it. This is our complete look of bed area, which is partially dull, and rest of the makeover I will cover in my part 2. And after applying 3D peel and stick wall tiles, it turned my wall into a sculpture and magical 3D dimensional art. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. I appreciate each and everyone for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe it now and turn on notification bell so you won't miss any of the video. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy the end of this video. I will see you in my next. Till then, take care and keep watching that Glam Mom. Bye bye.
I just wanna be certain. I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign. Wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you feel the same? Cause I wanna be certain. We don't have to be lonely. We don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry. I don't wanna think every night.